Now, holiday themed sneakers have been a thing since I can remember. And not all holiday themed sneakers are executed well and look good. But hey, these joints right here, hey, these joints fire. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're going to be talking about the Air Jordan 3 Treat Yourself, or called Wash Core, whatever you want to call them. These things are extremely dope. But before we get off into a discussion about these and how we think these things are actually going to do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Head over to IG, follow your boy at KICKnology on IG. Hit that like button, do all those great things. I would greatly appreciate you guys. Now, this shoe is slated to drop February 1st for a retail of $200. Now, from what I can tell, this is not going to go in extended sizes. So this sneaker is literally just going to be for the women, which is cool. Because to me, it kind of looks like a toddler sneaker, like a kid sneaker, like that should be a kid exclusive. But I can see how females want to rock it. Now, I know some of you dudes are going to be like, hey, I can rock what I want to. And salute to you if this is a sneaker that you want and you're going to be wearing. But for me, myself personally, this is not a sneaker that I would wear even if it came in extended sizes or my feet were small enough to fit them. But nonetheless, taking a look at these sneakers that you guys can see right here. The shoe is super clean. Detail is on point. Different materials. Got some jewels and gold and red ruby jewels and stuff on it. Like I said, just basing it off this video of this sneaker, it just looks like a female sneaker to me. But let's go ahead and take a closer look at them. The box is going to be a red box, like a Jordan 3 box, the elephant print. But it's also going to have some white and red paper in there with hearts and stuff on it. Like I said, this is a Valentine's Day sneaker. It does have the red Jumpman logo on the tongue, and my two favorite things about this sneaker is going to be the outsole. The bottom of it's that translucent pink with the red Jordan in there. It is super clean. That gives it a nice touch. And then also the elephant print. You have that suede elephant print like a pink, but then behind it looks like a metallic red behind that print. So super clean. Air Jordan logo on the back, Jumpman logo on the back, not Nike, which is fine, like I said, because I don't think this is the type of sneaker that it makes or break the sneaker if it's got the Nike branding on the back. But overall, super clean sneaker. So y'all let me know down in the comment section if this is going to be something that you guys are going to be picking up. When I was checking for the resale value, the pre-sale value of this sneaker, it was sitting right around $275, $280 to $300. Shipped to you, end up being like $320. I think this is going to be a sneaker. It seems like Hibbett's, JD Sports, Finish Line, Foot Locker, everybody's going to have it. I don't know the stock numbers, but I think it's going to be available. And with so much stuff dropping in February, I think the sneaker will sell out, but I don't think it's going to be one of those things where people are going to pay a crazy amount for the sneaker after it drops. So I do see the resale price actually going down after the official release date. And you might be able to get it depending on the size that you're looking for in certain stores. But again, they do not go in extended size. But I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Y'all let me know down in the comment section if it's going to be a sneaker that you cop. And also let me know what you guys are looking forward to in the month of February. It's a lot of stuff dropping, as I said. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, and that was hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these threes, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. Catch you in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack.